Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to maximize your savings with Rakuten and earn cashback on your purchases. Follow these step-by-step instructions to start saving money with every shopping spree. Step 1. Sign up for Rakuten. First, visit Rakuten's official website or download the Rakuten app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Click on the Join Now button and create your account. You'll need to provide your email address and set a password. Once registered, you may find additional bonuses for signing up, so keep an eye out for any offers. Step 2. Explore eligible retailers. After signing up, browse through the list of participating retailers on the Rakuten homepage or app. There are thousands of stores available, including major brands in fashion, electronics, home goods, and more. Make sure to check for special promotions or increased cashback rates. Step 3. Activate your cashback. Before you make a purchase, you need to activate your cashback. Click on the retailer's link within Rakuten to be redirected to their website. This ensures that your transaction is tracked for cashback. Remember to verify that the cashback percentage is displayed after you click through. Step 4. Shop like normal. Now that you've activated your cashback, shop as you normally would. Add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. Ensure that any coupons or discounts are applied before payment, as Rakuten's cashback is based on the final purchase price. Step 5. Receives cashback confirmation. Once your purchase is complete, Rakuten will notify you via email regarding your cashback confirmation. Keep in mind that it may take a few days for the cashback to be credited to your account, depending on the retailer's processing time. Step 6. Cash out your earnings. When you've accumulated a minimum balance of 5,001, you can cash out your earnings. Go to your Rakuten account, click on Cash Out, and select your preferred payment method. You can choose to receive your cashback via PayPal or by receiving a check through the mail. Step 7. Refer friends for extra bonuses. Expand your savings by referring friends to Rakuten. Share your referral link, and when your friends sign up and make their first purchase, you both receive bonus cashback. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Final thoughts. Using Rakuten is an easy way to earn cashback on everyday purchases. By following these simple steps, you can start seeing the rewards that come with smart shopping. Happy saving! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tips on saving.